1.3 energy flows through ecosystems. We use chemical energy from food, ultimately from the sun, and need to replace it with energy in our ecosystem. Producers capture energy and store it in food as chemical energy. Plants are most common producers on land. Photosynthetic bacteria and algae produce energy in the oceans. They make the energy available for themselves and the rest of the ecosystem. Consumers, organisms that get energy from eating, consuming other organisms. Classified by their position in a feeding relationship. Example: first-level consumers, primary consumers, feed on grasses and plants. Second-level consumers, secondary consumers, feed on primary consumers. Third-level tertiary consumers feed on secondary consumers. Decomposers break down dead plant-animal material into simpler compounds. They release the last bit of energy from once-living organisms. Feeding models. Food chain model of a feeding relationship between a producer and a single chain of consumers in an ecosystem. Food web model of the feeding relationships between many different consumers and producers in an ecosystem. Energy pyramid model that shows the amount of energy available at each feeding level of an ecosystem. All show how organisms receive energy. 14.4 biomes contain many ecosystems. Regions of Earth are classified into 6 biomes: tundra and taiga, desert and grassland, temperate forest and tropical forest. Biome geographic area, similar in climate, temp, soil, water, plants, and animals. Tundra. Both are northernmost regions. Long cold winters and short cool summers. Tundra -50 18 degrees centigrade. Taiga. 30 to 60 centimeters rain per year. -40 degrees to 20 degrees centigrade. Cold winters and short cool summers, more snow. No permafrost, soil low in nutrients. Desert. Found in middle latitudes. Less than 25 centimeters of rainfall. Dry. Sandy soil, summer hot, some cold. Grassland. 50 to 90 centimeters rainfall. Supports grasses, but no trees. Found in middle latitudes, often near desert, warm summers. 30 degrees centigrade but cold winters. Temperate forest. 75 to 150 centimeters water, enough to support trees, short winters. Deciduous trees drop their leaves in fall and grow new leaves in spring. Exception. Pacific Northwest has coniferous redwoods, spruce, fir. Tropical forest. Wet 200 to 450 centimeters rain. 25 degrees year-round. Soil is nutrient-poor, but tree litter breaks down quickly to supply nutrients. Water biomes. Water covers s of Earth's surface. Two broad types: freshwater and saltwater. Freshwater biomes affected by land topography.